Hey guys, it's Jimbo50. Today we're going to be working on the truck. Got some issues with the batteries. But before we get started, if you're new here, a little bit about what I do is I do a lot of install, how-tos, DIY, stuff like that, and a lot of modifications on my Mustang, 2016 Mustang GT. And go out, check out my other videos. They're pretty cool. Also, drop a like on this video and subscribe for more. All right, let's get into the truck. As the video says, yes, I have 2 batteries on this truck. And for the longest time, I really honestly could not figure out why that is. And I wasn't really sure if, if these came from factory like this, because I've only had the truck about a year now. I'm not sure if they came from the factory or somebody added an extra battery. There is a plow running, blah, blah, blah. But after a long time of, thinking about why I might have 2 batteries, it turns out that I actually have no idea. But regardless, we're going to be changing these out anyway. They're from 2014, so they're coming up to be about 6 years old now. So, I use this in the winter for plowing, and I don't want to have bad batteries in the winter. So I'd rather just play it safe, change them out now, and do it that way. One other thing we're also going to be doing today is changing out the alternator. That's another thing, just precautionary. It went on my work van over here, and when that went, it just went. And I don't want to be stuck again in the middle of a snowstorm. So preventative maintenance is what we're doing today. Let's get going. And real quick, on a little side note, if you guys want to learn how to install your very own wireless charging pad, then click the link above and I'll have a video there for you. Nice. Is a drill. DeWalt, you should sponsor me for this stuff. Everything I own is DeWalt. Let me put you back in your hole so you don't go missing. Oh shit. How do I get these out? There's so much stuff wired up to this thing. Alright, the problem is I got this whole big old wire harness here for the plow, which really is getting into my way. There's nothing I can really do about it because it is what it is. Okay, battery 1 is out. All right, batteries are free. Okay, second battery's out. And also what I'm gonna do, I wanna go ahead and tighten up all my my hoses because I'm starting to smell a leak. I think it's this one right here, so I'm gonna tighten that one up. I gotta say, I really don't care for the socket set because every time you move it, these things fall out. My other one, everything's clipped in. This one, there's nothing clipped in. It drives me nuts. Drives me nuts and bolts. 5.5 millimeter. I never heard of such a thing. Alrighty, now our alternator, which I'm not gonna do today. And while we're at it, we're gonna yank the battery out of the Olds as well because this one's shot too. There we go. Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, now we can head to the store. All right, let's get it moving. I don't know if you guys seen this car before, but this is the 86 Camaro. Beautiful car. It's a 305 automatic, but you know what? It's a really fun car to drive. Actually, I drove this car all throughout high school and a little bit into college before I got Scarlet Mustang. So it's a nice car. We had the whole thing redone, repainted. It's mint. Beautiful car. I used to have a lot of plans for this thing. When I was in high school, I put all these decals on just to dress it up a bit because it was all black plastic and it just didn't really look good. It just looked really crappy and cheap. Although, I mean, it's the 80s, that's what all the cars look like. It is a fun car though. I mean, one day I really would like to build this thing up, put it, give it some real power and stuff like that. I think it'd be a lot of fun, but it's just, you need the money for that stuff. So maybe one day this will be the project car and that could be a lot of fun. I'd like to really just strip down the engine compartment and just make it a motor like the Oldsmobile is. Just simple, no electronics and shit like that. Just strip it out, put in gauges, call it a day. I think it'd be a lot of fun. It'd be a really cool car. We'll see what the future has to hold. All right, that was eventful. Start with the Olds. All right, the Olds is done. Okay. All right. Real quick while this is out, I'm just gonna shoot those rust spots with some Rust-Oleum, and we'll do the other side too. We're gonna have to let it dry. Put it right in. Oh shoot, we needed that. Oh, I found a bolt. Nice. Okay. I had this battery out once before. I remember it being a really big pain to put in because I have so much stuff here. Come here. Alright, so I got these two wires I have to go on first and get this tightened up. Oh. Oh shit. Yeah, see, this is why this thing is a bitch to do. There's so much stuff in the way. Okay, tighten that up. This is the hard part. I remember this. This is the hardest part, was getting those started in there. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. All right, we are all wired up, boys. You guys like DeWalt? Who uses DeWalt? Let me know. I want you to comment down below. Little secret, when you're going to buy tools, wait till Christmas time, because everything goes on sale big time on Black Friday, and you know, more from there. I actually got these from Sears I got this from Sears. I got these on Lowe's. This was from Sears when they were going out, so I got a really good deal on that. And this tool kit was from Costco, 80 bucks, and there's like 200 piece kit in here, whatever. Lifetime warranty, it's all black, you can't beat it. I like my other DeWalt kit better because every single socket clips in. This one, they just sit in there and they can fall out easily, so it's kind of annoying. All right, guys, well, that pretty much wraps it up for today. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. That really help out my channel tremendously. So thank you guys. Take care.